or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm Sydney. I'm a full-time working mom of 4 kids ranging from 2 to soon to be 8-year-old twins in a few weeks. I love making lifestyle content on here, whether it's cleaning motivation like today's video, day in the life vlogs, or anything that hopefully inspires or others can relate to. I've been on here for a while but took a long hiatus last year, but I'm so happy to be back. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to like this video and subscribe. It just lets me know that you are interested in what I post. And anyways, without further ado, I am doing a Sunday refresh and cleanup. On Sundays, I do like to clean up a little more than usual because it's just one of our days to tidy up and get things done that my husband or myself aren't able to during the week. Here, my older boys are helping vacuum and just tidying up, putting up the breakfast dishes and all of that. Definitely helps a lot because with 4 kids, messes are constant, and with a little help, it goes a long way. Also, I did want to mention that not every Sunday looks the same as far as what I get done. I try to prioritize what needs to be done, and on this day it was laundry, so I mainly got that done. This is just realistic because obviously there are breaks in between these cleaning segments, whether I needed to tend to my kids with eating or helping with diaper changes for my youngest, and my youngest boy still kind of needs help with potty. He is potty trained, but sometimes he does need help. And yeah, I don't want to portray that I have it all together because I don't. I just do what I can and not try to stress over what I don't get done, because honestly, this season is going to be messy as far as not my home being 100% tidy. And I am trying to focus on that and just tidying up when I can, and just letting messes happen and not feeling guilty if I can't get to it then and there. Just a little inspiration for you too if you're a mom of multiples, or you don't even have to be a mom. I know we all are busy and have things to do, and sometimes we just need a mental health day and don't want to get things done. Some words of encouragement: just do what you can, prioritize what needs to be your number one. Whether it's laundry one day or if it's the bathrooms. I didn't get to the bathrooms this day. But yeah, just wanted to share that little bit with you guys. I went ahead and wiped down the furniture in our master bedroom since it had been a while since I'd done that, to be honest. And honestly, it makes the biggest difference when I do because, you know, just a little TLC goes a long way. And I also tackled numerous loads of laundry. Here you can see a few of my boys were helping put their clothes up, and they do put it up in their drawers, and it just makes the biggest difference, just them doing that small task. One of my twins wasn't too happy, but you know, it is a chore that, you know, they are aware of doing. You know, once I encourage them, they do it without any complaining sometimes, but you know, they are kids and the complaining is normal. The laundry, I feel, is the biggest thing that can get overwhelming for me if we don't keep up with it, just because there's 6 of us in our household. But my main thing is to have it washed. The folding and putting away is extra. As long as my family and I have clean clothes, I am happy. And you see my daughter there was just sitting watching her Bluey show. I did have a few left over, but I was ready for bed, and so was my daughter. So if you made it this far, thank you so much. I hope I was able to encourage you just a little bit to tidy up your home or even fold some laundry. I will see you guys at my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you made it this far. I will see you guys at my next video. Bye guys.